Hello students, today I am teaching you class 6 science chapter 6 changes around us. What are the changes occurring around us? In this chapter today I will begin with the topic expansion, or we can say that on heating is a reversible change. Reversible change. How can we say this then? Because when an object is heated, it increases in size. On heating, the size of the object is increased, and this is called expansion. But after some time, when the hot object is cooled, it decreases in size and come back to the original size. So the decrease in size of an object on cooling is called contraction. Expansion means the increase in size on heating. The increase in size on heating is called expansion. And contraction means the decrease in size of an object on cooling is called contraction. So the expansion and contraction, if it occurs simultaneously in an object, then we can say that the object performs a reversible change. So here let us take some such an example which perform the reversible changes during the process of expansion and contraction. The first one is in fixing an iron rim on the wooden wheel of a cart. All of you know that a bullock cart wheels is made up of basically wooden material, and spikes are placed as shown in this figure. And wood is not as strong as the iron, but this wooden wheel is covered with a iron rim around the periphery of the or circumference of the wooden wheel, which provides this iron rim provide strength to the wooden wheel by applying on this. But it is possible by using the expansion process. So first of all, the iron rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel because it is fitted on the wooden wheel, and then the iron rim is heated uniformly by making a fire, due to which it expands and becomes somewhat bigger in size. And then the hot iron rim is easily put on the wire on the wooden wheel, and after the spreading cold water or pouring this wooden wheel into the cold water, on cooling, the hot rim contracts and fits tightly on the wooden wheel. This is an example of expansion and contraction process, and during the expansion the iron rim size is increases, but after that its cooling it gets its original shape and size. That's why we call it the fixing of iron rim on the wooden wheel of a cart is called the reversible process. In the same way, the fixing of iron blade of a digging tool to a wooden handle is also a reversible process. Second one is the fixing of iron blade of a digging tool to a wooden handle is also a reversible change. Suppose that we have a iron blade of spade. In Hindi we call it fawda, and this is rim of the iron blade. This is called iron blade of spade. In Hindi this is called fawda, and we have a wooden handle wooden handle, and we want to fix this wooden handle inside the ring of the iron blade of his spade. Then how it is possible? First of all, to fix the handle into the ring of the iron blade of a spade, we have to heat it over fire, and on heating the iron ring expands and becomes slightly bigger in size, and one end of the wooden handle now easily pass through the hot ring, and then cold water is poured over the hot ring of the blade to cool it. And due to the cooling of the hot ring of a spade blade contracts, it easily fits on the wooden handle, and finally we are able to fix the wooden handle into the ring of the iron blade of a spade, and we get the a digging tool. In this way, we can say that this is also a reversible change, because after cooling the ring of the iron blade of spades, it regains its original size. That's why we can say that expansion is a reversible process.